Hi everyone, Lohan here from ALL YACHT Monaco. Today we are in Beaulieu-sur-Mer and we are taking our Fjord 40 Open, built in 2020, out for a proper run. In this video, I'll keep it simple, real footage underway, and the key points that matter on this boat. Top speed is close for 40 knots. What I focus is not only speed, but how the boat stays stable and clean without vibration when you push her. She is fitted with twin Volvo Penta IPS with joystick control. It gives you precision. Small corrections are easy and the boat feels very manageable even when you are short-handed. This is the part owners feel every day. With the joystick you can dock with control, sideways, straight in, small movements, no stress. It doesn't replace good seamanship, but it makes day-to-day boating a lot easier. No promises, just facts you can verify. On the technical side, this one is easy to follow. Engine hours are around 280. The maintenance is clear and documented. Part of the work was done by our team at JCS Yachting here in Beaulieu-sur-Mer, our family company. And the engines have been serviced by Volvo Penta agents with a complete consistent history. So there is no guesswork, just a clean file you can check. Clean lines, that step on and relax feeling. Space, good flow, everything where it should be. Quick recap: Fjord 40 Open, built in 2020, Volvo Penta IPS, top speed close to 40 knots. Around 280 hours with a clear documented maintenance. Asking price is 420,000 euro, VAT included. French flag, first owner, VAT fully paid. If you want full details or to arrange a viewing in Beaulieu-sur-Mer, just contact us at ALL YACHT Monaco. And that's it, Lohan, ALL YACHT Monaco. Talk soon.